Suspects are there for them to. I just video. I want to.
Oluwo Samuel Monday, Peter Oluwalose, Akinwumi, Peter Tose, Prophet Daniel, Sheriff Agbai, Osojehe, Christopher Yaro,
What is your name?
My name is Sharif.
Please put that mic so I can hear what you're saying.
My name is Sharif.
Will you change your hand? Change it. No, change it. Bring it up. Bring it out of it. Yes.
My name is Sharif.
What is your name?
Sharif.
Sharif. Sharif what?
Sharif Agbai.
You are from which state?
From Edo State.
Mic is that way.
From Edo State, yes, ma'am.
What work are you doing?
Me?
What's your occupation?
I said God before, but as at now, I'm doing organic cream and all those stuff.
Okay.
Those skincare products.
Where do you live?
I live in Edo State.
Lagos State.
Edo State.
Edo
State.
What
Yeah.
brought you to State?
They said the woman did the soap for my friend. They said one man did soap for my friend, and that the soap, there is a human part involved. I don't know.
Sorry, let me make it more clearer. They said the man did soap for your friend.
Because he said he wanted to pray for our business to boost up.
Okay.
So along the line, he did the soap for my friend.
You mean the man, right?
Yes, the man. Oluwo.
Is it the one that is yellow or the one that is black?
The one that is yellow.
That is yellow. Okay. How did you know Oju?
I know him at T4 when I was selling gas.
When you were selling glass?
Gas.
Gas. Okay. So since when you've known Oju, right?
Mm.
So now, what did you tell him you want, and what did he do to you?
At first, when I posted when I know him, he have not done this thing for me. So when I view my status one day, he said, "How are you?" That he heard that my wife delivered. I said yes. He said okay. What am I doing now? I said I'm into this thing now, organic cream and organic soap and whatever. He said okay. That he have one work to do so that those business will be moving up. So I now said work. He said yes. Okay. That's it.
So now, how come did your friend not know Oluwo, or did he know you? Or
When-
you that introduced him to Oluwo?
I'm the one that introduced him to him.
Okay, now when you now introduced him to Oluwo, what was the thing you requested from Oluwo?
He said he want to pray for us for our business to grow up.
Okay?
So along the line, like when we get to the place, he now said, look at the money he want to use to do the work.
So how much did he now charge you?
He charged my friend
How much
800,000.
did he charge you?
I'm not the one that done it.
The one that wants to do it.
Yeah.
So how much did he charge?
800,000.
How much did you now give him?
800,000.
800,000. So what are the specific things that you want before you can charge 800,000 and yet you give him the money?
He said the items are many. When he said 800,000, we never agreed. We said, it's too big. So he now said, the items are many. There is cow there. There is a guinea fowl. He just mentioned some things like that and said, so on. He mentioned some things. So he
You were aware he's going to use woman parts.
never
Right?
in life, if I'm aware, I will not involve myself.
At what point? He got aware.
At the point that when a day before he prepare everything finish,
That's how.
like when we come from those state to the Ogun State.
So when you were now aware that a day to that period, what was your own response?
That we were not aware of this.
Then after he finished it, he gave it to you and you carried it to the place, to your state. Said?
He didn't tell us that it was enough. I said that it's a soap.
He just said soap. No. Yes, sir.
This is the soap. This is the whole 800,000.
It's a
Say buy cow, do this thing. So what really brought us back? We said he scam us.
We were requesting our money. That was
We were requesting for our money that he scam us.
Yeah, give to that. Okay, let me speak with it. Good afternoon.
good afternoon.
What is your name?
My name is Oju Ali.
Look up, that's what I'm saying. What do you do for a living?
I'm an engineer,
Engineer, what kind of engineer?
building engineer.
Building engineer, okay. What brought you? How did you get to know Oluwo and what brought you to Oluwo?
It's my friend that told me that they have a friend that can do something for my business to be moving further.
So, was it now the one that is communicating or you take Oluwo's number and start communicating with him?
He's one that's communicating with Oluwa. I don't communicate with him.
So, how many times did you pay Oluwo 800K?
When I come, I pay it twice.
You paid him twice?
Yeah.
From what month to what month?
The same day, the when we just come, because I was on limit. That was why I didn't pay it once.
Okay. So now explain in details. When you get to Oluwo, what are the things he has done to you or did for you?
No, he just prayed for me. He said he said that now that my business will be moved further, so I should go. So
So at what point do you know there's woman part in what Oluwo gave you?
I never aware there was a woman part. It's when police arrested us and said that what he give us when we were requesting for our money. He now said that okay, we should come. That was when police just grabbed us, said that that was the reason I brought the things. I don't I brought it by myself because I want to return it. I told you I don't need it. I need my money back.
How did they ask you to be using this thing now? What will you be using it to do?
Just to take bait.
To
Bait.
bet.
Yeah.
Okay, this is soap, right?
Yeah.
And have you used it?
Once I used it once. I told her I don't need it. It don't work because he told me if I use it now, the next day I'll start getting my business will start moving. I start getting connections, all those stuff.
So now what do you want the government to do for you?
I want the government to pardon me and also he scammed me. We were not aware. He never told us it.
Government can pardon me.
Because if it was, we would not have ourselves.
So, kí lorúkọ yín mà?
Sulaiman Rukayat.
Báwo lẹ ṣe jẹ́ sí olóògbé?
Àbúrò mi gangan ni òun ló ń gbélé mi direct.
So, kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ kí lẹ mọ̀ nípa báwo lọ̀rọ̀ yìí ṣe wáyé? Ìgbà wo lẹ ń wá ìgbà wo ló sọmọ tó ẹ júwe ẹ sọ irú ẹni tí ọmọbìnrin jẹ́.
Iṣẹ́ wo ló ń ṣe àti gbogbo téèyàn ní láti mọ̀ nípa ẹ̀?
Ó ń ṣiṣẹ́ ní company kan ní Ọ̀tà. Ó dẹ̀ gbé Oju Awon
Ọmọdún
ó gbé Ìyànà.
Ọmọdún mélòó?
June yìí ló máa pé 36 years. Ó ti ju 35 years lọ. It's over 35 years.
Sílé ọkọ ló wà ní àbíkú tí ì máa rí.
Ó ti marry bọ̀ òun àtọkọ ẹ̀ ní issue. So òun àtọkọ ẹ̀ ti divorce bí 2 years ago. So wá ń gbé pẹ̀lú last born wa. Àwọn méjèèjì ẹ̀ náà jọ ń gbé ní Ìyànà. So alẹ́ on the January 9 bíi tó 11 ni àbúrò ẹ̀ last born yẹn pè mí pé ṣé ó sọ kankan fún mi. Mo ní pé ṣé ó sọ ó dágbére pé òun lọ bìkan fún mi. Mo ní pé kò sọ kankan fún mi pé kò pé kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀. Ó wá ní àwọn jọ dé bus stop láàárọ̀ pé òun lọ sí ibi iṣẹ́. Ó wá sọ fún òun pé òun fẹ́ dé Atan pé òun ò dẹ̀ rí kó wálé. Meanwhile ó ní ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀ kan tọ́jọ́ ń ṣiṣẹ́ ìyẹn ní pé nọ́mbà yẹn pè ní àárọ̀ nìkan bíi 7 táwọn close ní night pé nọ́mbà yẹn wá sọ pé òun máa pè padà later. So nǹkan tó wá di bíi 10 nọ́mbà yẹn wá pè padà. Àbúrò ẹ̀ gan confirm pé ó ń jẹun lọ́wọ́. So wá sọ fún yẹn pé òun bọ̀ bó ṣe fóúnjẹ tó ń jẹ sílẹ̀ tó ṣe jáde nìyẹn nìkan bíi tó 10 láàárọ̀ títí di tó 11 lálẹ́ tábúrò ẹ̀ wá pè mí. Ó wá ní pé in fact gan fóun ló mú key dání pé òun fẹ́ wọlé òun ò rí key. Òun dẹ̀ ti jókòó bíi tó 11. Wọ́n á ní nǹkan tó mú tó fi mú tí ò drop key tí ò dẹ̀ ti wọlé by this time. Nǹkan kan ti ṣẹlẹ̀ mo ṣáà ní pé pé tó bá di àárọ̀. So nígbà tó dẹ̀ di àárọ̀.
Ṣé ẹ pe nọ́mbà ẹ̀ ní gbogbo
A
yẹn
pe gbogbo nọ́mbà mo pe nọ́mbà ẹ̀ throughout that night. switched off nọ́mbà ó dẹ̀ jẹ́ nǹkan tó yẹ pé fóònù ẹ̀ in fact ọkọ mi gan máa ń sọ pé ṣé wọ́n máa ń fún àbúrò ẹ̀ ní sálárì ni lórí fóònù ẹ̀ ò lè off 1 minute ó máa ti wá bí tó ti máa charge so tí mo yẹ pé ní gbogbo orin ẹ̀ fóònù ẹ̀ switched off ni mo ti wò pé ọkọ ti ṣẹlẹ̀ àárọ̀ ọjọ́ yẹn wọ́n ṣáà lọ police station tó wà ní Ọ̀tà
àárọ̀ ọjọ́ kejì.
ní àárọ̀ ọjọ́ kejì nígbà tó ń débẹ̀ wọ́n ní pé ó di after 48 hours a ṣáà padà sí la ṣáà wà káàkiri gbogbo ọ̀dọ̀ rẹ̀ àwa lọ bí wọ́n ní wọn so nígbà tó dẹ̀ di after 48 hours a padà lọ station wọ́n ṣáà track number iná fi wá get pé ẹni tó pè nọ́mbà tó pè ní between 7 and that 10 Azeez wọ́n wá lọ sí wọ́n track number wọ́n get address wọ́n wá lọ bọ̀ wọ́n rí so wọ́n wá rí eléyìí tó pè rẹ̀ ní Moses wọ́n ṣáà ṣàṣe frequent calls lórí nọ́mbà Azeez náà fi wá rí pé òun àtẹ̀ní ìnájọ máa ń pè frequently so wọ́n wá arrest eléyìí àti bọ̀dá Azeez yẹn pé táwọn bá dé station àwọn máa gẹ̀tẹ̀ láti gba òun rí Azeez yẹn so nígbà tí láti Ọ̀tà wọ́n ṣáà wá refer wa wá síbí báyìí ọjọ́ yẹn gan tó kó wa wá after 3 days tán kó wa wá wọ́n sọ pé àwọn ilé ẹ̀kọ́ ni suspect kan máa release wọn very soon because wọ́n ti jẹ́ kí suspect go escape wọ́n ṣáà pè wá ní ọjọ́ kejì ní Mr. Shitu wọ́n ṣáà pè wá pé àwọn máa release eléyìí pé because òun kọ́ ni pé
ṣé
àwọn
ẹ̀yin mọ
kan
Azeez yẹn?
àmọ́
ẹ ò mọ̀ bóyá ó yàn lọ́rẹ̀ẹ́ kùnrin ní ọjọ́ fẹ́ra tàbí.
ìmọ̀rì ọ̀tọ̀ ni ẹni tó pè ní boyfriend ẹ̀ àti ẹ̀kọ́ rò because ẹni tó pè ní boyfriend òun gan kò send ẹ ní orí Facebook ló ti bá last born wa sọ̀rọ̀ ìyẹn dẹ̀ sọ fún pé kó send the phone number ever since that time bóyá like after 1 week ìyẹn ò send the phone number ìyẹn tí wàá delete gbogbo àwọn pictures tó wà lórí Facebook ó delete àwa wá ń suspect pé bóyá òun ló ṣe nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn so nígbà tó wá ní wọ́n fẹ́ release àwọn ilé pé kán release àjà pé nǹkan tó ń boyfriend rẹ̀ tó fi ṣe nǹkan tó ṣe pé ní láti ṣe pé boyfriend rẹ̀ ló ṣe nǹkan tó ṣe yẹn fún so ọjọ́ Thursday kan bóyá on the 16th January 16 so àwọn ọlọ́pàá lọ́wọ́ náà fẹ́ lọ check ilé àwọn Moses yìí pé táwọn bá ti check ilé pé after that àwọn máa release so ilé ẹ̀tàn lọ check lọ́jọ́ yẹn náà ti wá rí because èmi náà tẹ̀lé wọn lọ wọ́n ti wá rí àwọn kankan tó wà suspicious wọ́n rí irú àwọn kòkò báyìí náà rí ń bẹ̀ wọ́n ṣáà ń béèrè lọ pé kí ló fi kòkò ṣe ó ṣáà ní pé àwọn olóyún lòun máa ń ṣàgbo fún o pé babaláwo agbọmọlà lòun páwọn olóyún lòun máa ń ṣàgbo fún ó wá ní kọ́nà kan nínú ilé ẹ̀ náà because ajọ́ ń ṣàṣìgbò ní ó wá ní kọ́nà kan bá a ṣe fẹ́ lọ bẹ̀ ní Mr. Shitu wá ní pé kí n dúró pé kí n má wà pé bọ̀ tó máa ní àwọn ibìkan nílé àwọn babaláwo ẹ̀ tẹ́kọ̀ obìnrin ò lè wọbẹ̀ pé bọ̀ wọn ò ní sọ fún yàn pé kí n dúró kí n má wà so bóyá bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọ́n ti wá rí àwọn nǹkan míì ń bẹ̀ so wọ́n wá ní pé after yẹn wọ́n wá gbà tó wá padà dé wọ́n wá sọ fún pé ó máa jẹ́wọ́ pé gbogbo àwọn nǹkan táwọn rí nílẹ̀ pé mind àwọn ò sọ fáwọn pé ó wà innocent.
ṣé báàgì
ẹ̀ wà ń
wà
bẹ̀
nínú àwọn báàgì
òun ni black bag tó nírun lórí
báàgì
yẹn
dúdú tó ní lórí ẹ̀.
báàgì ẹ̀ ní tèmi àti ẹ̀ fi ìtajọ snap níbí báyìí last year September October ṣá tèmi àti ìta ríra last fọ́tò yẹn náà ní báàgì yẹn náà ló fi.
irú ọmọ wo ni ẹ lè sọ pé àbúrò yín yẹn jẹ́?
nǹkan tí mo kọ̀ rí pé ó àfẹ́tẹ̀ ní kó jẹ́ nǹkan tí ò kí ń open up kó jẹ́ nǹkan tí ò kí ń sọ̀rọ̀ ó dínú gan because ká ní kò ṣe pé èèyàn tó dínú ni ó ṣe ń lọ lọ́jọ́ yẹn òun àti àbúrò ẹ̀ lọ́jọ́ ń gbé yẹ kó jẹ́ káàbúrò ẹ̀ mọ̀ pé èèyàn báyìí ló pè mí tó bá yẹ pé òtẹ́ẹ̀ náà ló ń gbé ẹ lọ ẹni báyìí ó máa pè mí ọ̀dẹ̀ eléyìí ó máa ní kí wá bóun lò tẹ̀ ẹni ìwé òtẹ́ẹ̀ báyìí ló ní kí n ti wá bóun wá dẹ̀ sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ò sọ anything fábúrò ò sọ kọ́kọ́ ó dẹ̀ sọ owó kan sọ fún yẹn pé òun bọ̀ thank God for tracking nọ́mbà yẹn àbá má get anything because mo mọ̀ pé Azeez yẹn gbòǹgbò kò lè believe wọ́n lè róhun track wọ́n máa wọ pé since ọ wà.
kí ni kò tí ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ yìí kí ni kò tó ti mú bá ìdílé?
mọ́mí ẹ̀ gbogbo náà ni ó affect but màmá ẹ̀ gangan because àwọn gan náà wọn strong tẹ́lẹ̀ náà wọn strong ara wọn fi bẹ́ẹ̀ strong ara wọn jà but ilé náà tó tún wá ṣẹlẹ̀ a ṣáà ń try best wọn because àwa sì lè hold wa àwọn people yìí kọ́ máa lọ lásán kọ́ kó má lọ la gbogbo nǹkan tó ń sọ ń bẹ̀ yẹn irọ́ ló ń pa gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ bíi mẹ́ta táǹgọ̀ pé orí fóònù wọ́n rí gbogbo àwọn voice message tóun àtàwọn people yẹn tọ́jọ́ ń sọ ó wá dé báyìí sọ ń sọ another thing irọ́ náà ń pa kọ́njọ kan gbà wá léèyàn kankan and thank God to this police Mr. Shitu and that other man they really tried for us but this thing is not enough they should please kọ́njọ kọ́ má dé kíyà yìí jẹ́ wá gbé kọ́njọ.
What is your name?
My name is Victor Yaro.
How old are you?
I'm 28.
28?
Yes.
You are from which state?
I'm from Plateau State.
Plateau State?
Yes.
What work do you do for a living? What's your occupation?
I do farm work.
Farm work?
Yes.
Where do you live presently?
For Agowe.
Agowe.
Konigwa Street.
What bring you call Elewe right now?
For that Ago. I did my working place. So this is my papa brother be this one.
Okay.
So as before he call me, he don't dey Ibadan. He tell me say he don't dey Ibadan. I can't ask her for fun, say wetin they do for Ibadan.
Okay.
He can't tell me say he get small issue wey happen for Ibadan for our village. So if he can't reach where I dey, he go explain for me. Yeah, I can't ask her say make you wait, make I make call for village before I go tell her the location where I dey for Jebode.
Okay.
I can't try to call village. Village number no go.
Okay.
So I see evening he can't do. I can't call am. Now he still call me. As he still call me, I tell am say okay. I tell her where I dey, can't enter motor come. I can't try to ask her wetin happen for village before he leave village. So he no even tell me. As he no tell me, I say make I try to make call for village, make I know wetin happen. As he no even tell me the truth.
So later wetin come tell you? How you can't meet each other because of time?
Because of time, I see I don't do. So when he call me, I tell am say make he dey come. I tell am the location where I dey. So in the morning, I come dey try make I call village. So I no get them for village. The number I no go. So I come call one of my brother for Abuja. That on Sunday evening, I come call one of my brother for Abuja. So that my brother come tell me say I kidnap them, go kidnap. Oh. So he tell me say they kidnap Reverend Father.
Hey.
So that my brother tell me like this. I come back for where I come out go.
They kidnap Reverend Father for which state?
For Plateau State.
Hey. How many Reverend Father they kidnap?
That my brother as he tell me say they kidnap Reverend Father. So me I no come ask him. I can't call the call because of as I hear the thing surprised me. I surprised. So I can't call the call. I come back for where I go. I come meet am for house. As I come meet am for house, I come tell am say you do bad thing. You want make they come catch me. I no want problem. Oh. Better make you leave my house. I pursue am for my house. So at the thing say you don't go. You come out go for my working place. Me I don't know because of night don't do that on Sunday. Night don't do. So on Monday morning, we come go farm for a while with the work. Me and people wey we dey work together. We come go there. As we go there, I come see am. As I come see am, I come dey pursue am. I say, I don't pursue you for house. Wetin carry you come back again? Go my farm again. Now that time as I dey pursue him, I dey use my hand push him, make he dey go. I no want problem.
How police come catch you now?
So as I dey pursue him, make he dey go. I no want problem. At that time as I dey pursue him like this, police come.
Police come?
Yes.
So when did you come to reach police now? Since when you don dey police station?
On Monday.
On Monday. Your family know say you dey here?
No. My family no know.
How old is he?
Well on 52 years.
What is his name? Tell me his name.
Christopher Yaro.
Christopher Yaro. Oh yeah, why you kidnap that grandfather now? Why? Say that she will never for the same kidnap. Why you kidnap? Yeah, let him tell you. Tell him, make you tell him.
Let me anki kala aki na Reverend Father kwa.
Diyar ga lakus bani shine jiya na wato a lokacin ne la ne bayin suna da ma daga sala ne sanya to kuma ba ya tinana. Wai daga su shati tin daga to ai kwayin kala yana na.
Okay. He say they kidnap where they kidnap. He know they inside, but na person call him name for inside that people where they go kidnap. So as they come hold them, they tie them. So they carry them go vigilante office. As they go vigilante office, they come put only him one for inside one room. They put 3 people for inside one room. So as they come okay, he say as he talk truth, that's why they release her for inside that place.
The release her. Why police come pursue her again? Yeah, ask her.
Why you can't run away?
Okay.
If they release her for why you can't run away?
They're going. Okay, don't worry.